Hello everyone and welcome. How to fix CS2 unable to establish connection with game server. In order to do that, I'm going to show you a few solutions on how to fix this issue. So the first thing you can do is open your CMD and of course run it. And right here we'll have to insert a few commands. So the first command that you can insert is ipconfig//dns and hit enter. And after that, you'll have to insert the second command, which is net winshock reset, and of course hit enter. And the very last command that we'll have to insert is net init IP reset, and then hit enter. So after you insert these commands, you'll have to restart your computer and see if the issue was fixed. So the second solution right here is if you select run and then ape data. Right here, you'll see the local option right here, and we'll have to select the folder temp. And right here, we'll have to delete all these folders and files that are located in this folder. If you are not able to delete all of these folders and files, is because the computer is using some of them, but there is no problem. You can just go forward and try to delete them all. And after that, if the problem was not solved, what you can do is clear the cache of the Steam app. So you are going to the Steam app right here, and then go to settings and go to downloads. And right here, if we scroll down, you should be able to see this option, clear download cache, and you are going to hit cache and confirm. So right now the Steam is shutting down, and it is going to restart. These are the solution for this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.